Great. Shivangi, are you ready for this? Okay. Hello and welcome back to Privilege Check, a podcast where two girls from different backgrounds come together to unveil the realities of modern society. I'm Loveleen.
And I'm sure. Great. This is going to happen. Sorry. My voice always breaks. And I'm Shivangi. Through this podcast, you want to reach out to the privileged.
In
And
this
she's gone on
podcast,
mute.
You already know you are privileged because you have
अरे
access to
यार,
this podcast.
you already,
कौन बोलेगा?
अरे यार बोल रही हूँ. You already know you are because you have access to this podcast.
And teach them the 101s of how to not be a privileged prick.
In this episode, we are collaborating with Desmond Fernandez from Something You Wanna Know, and we're going to talk all about being a podcast creator.
Great. Yeah. So I am Shivangi Tripathi and I'm the co-host of Privilege Check. I am, as you can see, I'm a very hyper person, so I'll constantly move around during the episode, and I also crack really lame jokes that because of my bad internet you won't get. So by the time I'm done with the joke, you're probably gonna not get it. So yeah, that's how it's going to be. That's my
Okay,
contribution to this podcast.
that's
Go ahead,
nice.
Yeah. I'm Loveleen Palan, and I am the co-host of Privilege Check. And the great part is, as enthu as I sound on this podcast, it's completely opposite. So when you listen to the podcast and you think Loveleen is super enthu and Shivangi is super sober, it's literally the opposite in real life. And even though we come from different backgrounds, we go to college together, and we're just trying to get all those experiences and compile it into one podcast so that whatever we learn through life, we will share it with everybody else as well.
That's nice. So you want me also to introduce myself, or it's okay?
Yeah,
Yeah.
our
Introduce
listeners
yourself.
would definitely like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So to the one listeners of Privilege Check, my name is Desmond Fernandez, and even I am a podcaster, and my podcast name is Something You Wanna Know, or in short form, you can say SYWK. And I have different type of episodes each week, from ghost stories to, in fact, different episodes. So you can check me out as well.
It's we're working on it. We are definitely, we think we're growing. Why did I stumble on that? But yeah.
Yeah, I think we're going better because, like, when we released the first episode, the kind of feedback we had wasn't. It just is not worth mentioning. But
The
when we
number
moved
of
to the third episode, like gender onwards, remember, Laveen, we had really
Hmm.
positive feedback, and the
yeah.
number of plays also started increasing. And we started getting unique listeners from places that we didn't promote the podcast on, like, so that also helped. So from gender onwards, like the third episode onwards, we
Yeah.
started gaining traction, I would say.
I think
So y'all are
our
getting listeners from Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, or it's just from India?
yeah, we're getting from
Dude, we're getting
Auckland,
from
USA, and it's crazy because Shivangi and I keep asking each other, do we know anybody from this place? And we're just like, no, we
exactly.
don't.
So I don't know people
Oh,
like outside India mostly. Like I
Yeah.
know one person in Italy, and that's it. That's where my connection
Greece,
ends. But we have plates from Greece. We have plates from I don't know. Like it's just a
people
big
from.
list. So it was basically competition. Like I'm gonna be honest. Like so we were just comparing like how this course is pairing in other colleges. And one of the friends we have in other colleges told us that their department, so we're mass media students, by the way, and our friend told us that they're having the department hosting a podcast for the students. So like
oh,
they basically
nice.
arrange the entire hosting platform. They arrange what the content is going to be, and the students had to just
Hmm.
host the episodes. And we heard that, and this was on an we heard, and we Laveen told me this during an 8 a.m. class. Like I woke up and the class was just not moving at all. And we were very like, is this going to end or not? And that's when Laveen tells me that this is what people our age are doing in other colleges. And then we were like, no, now we have to start a podcast. It's not fair. We have to. But then we were like, what should we start with?
Correct.
And then we realized what better than giving privilege checks to people. Like, there's nothing better. We do nothing better than that. Like, that's
Hmm.
us.
Even
So
though,
that's, yeah. Do you have
even
anything
though
to add, Lovely?
we keep talking over each other. This is so bad. Even though like judgment sounds like a really harsh word, but
Hmm.
Shivangi and I started thinking about a podcast as a joke. We were like, there are so many things that we talk about and we're angry about it, and there is so much rage filled in us that we're just going to talk about it. And what better way than to do it through a podcast? So we were joking about it for like quite a few days until one day I
Hmm.
said, Shivangi, you know what? I'm genuinely serious. 8 a.m. classes. I was like, I'm genuinely serious about this and we should do this. And she was like, yeah, sure, I'm serious as well. I don't know why we kept going on about this for so long. But yeah, and then even our release dates were shifted because we had so much to do. We are two
Yeah.
perpetually busy people, and somehow we're still doing this podcast where we just check people for their privilege.
For like
That's
the
nice.
longest time, we had no idea what we had to do to,
Yeah.
get our podcast out there. Like I remember the first time we were searching, how do you how do you start a podcast? And these people
Hmm.
were talking about RSS feed and everything and hosting platforms. And Laveen and I lost it. We were like,
Yeah.
okay, what does RSS mean? We looked it up on several platforms and we wouldn't understand. And we spent the entire lecture just, figuring out, okay, what is RSS? Even after we did that, then we were like, okay, what hosting platform is free? Because I think if you listen, because you listen to a podcast, you know how conjuice we are. So you know that we don't want to spend money. So you were like, we need a free hosting platform. That also took a long time to figure out. And yeah,
The
I'll tell
only
you
the
something.
entire
RSS
journey was crazy.
the
Can
only
I tell you something?
RSS we knew
Yeah,
about was related to Modi. That's all we knew. That was like RSS
yeah,
मतलब यही
that's the
होगा.
only RSS we know. We're again talking about Modi. Please. What is this? Okay,
I'll
yeah.
tell you
Anyway,
Go
something.
ahead.
yeah.
I still don't know what's the real meaning of RSS.
Same. Same. I don't know what
I'm
it means.
complicated.
Yeah.
It's really complicated.
I just
Even for
say it to
me,
sound cool in front of
yeah,
people. I just say
yeah,
that.
yeah. Even I talk to my friends and I say RSS feed,
Yeah.
so it look professional, but I really don't know the real meaning
Yeah.
of RSS feed.
Exactly. It's like it's something that's really essential, but we
Hmm.
got it done by somebody else, and if I have to do it myself, I don't know what it is.
Exactly. Thank God
Yeah.
for hosting platforms, man.
Yeah.
Like, thank God. We're using Anchor right now. We were planning to move to, what was the name?
Red
Red
Circle.
Circle. Yeah.
Hmm. That's the
So
one
since we
I'm
can
using
get
here.
Yeah,
yeah,
because
since we
you
can get
recommended
sponsors
it.
there, money is attracting us, obviously.
But Red Circle is also free.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, we're aware.
Hmm.
We just felt like we have more sponsor options there because Anchor only allows sponsors for citizens of the US. So,
Okay.
yeah, we've been planning to shift just like posting on Facebook groups, and we're just procrastinating with it. We're super active on Instagram. When it comes to Facebook,
The
Facebook, yeah.
podcast.
we're crazy. Yeah, even we post thrice a week on Instagram, and we have like
Yeah,
we generate content very strategically. It
Hmm.
might sound like very crazy, but we've genuinely taken into account of our target audience of the people who are actually engaging with us, and
exactly.
we try to have loyal listeners as well. So because Instagram was a main platform for our target audience, we started with it. And in fact, it's also because most people are age group and we are also familiar with Instagram. So I think our
Hmm.
Instagram game is strong, but when
Yeah.
it comes to Facebook, it's just not our age group. But we are trying. We have, in fact, today was the day that I posted our introduction and all of that on Facebook, and I've
Facebook.
to send it on the group.
Hmm.
Just waiting for that.
Facebook, you know what is there? Facebook, basically, there are different groups
Yeah.
related to podcast, and a lot of podcasters from India
Yeah.
and around the world, they are there. So you can share the link. They will give you feedback. Then there are some
Yeah.
groups which is there on WhatsApp as well. So so different things are there. It is good. That's a good platform as well.
Yeah.
Because even I started late. Even I started first from Insta, and then slowly, steadily from Facebook now to Twitter to different apps.
How has Twitter
That's
been
nice.
helping you grow your podcast? Because that's something that we have been discussing about, but we didn't find Twitter very useful for it.
Twitter
Yeah.
right now, I have one follower. That's it.
I have more followers than you.
Yeah.
Not as less. I have more followers than you.
Yeah.
Twitter, I just recently started. I can say 2 weeks before,
Yeah.
and I just have one follower,
What
and
type
I'm
of
happy with that.
content would go on Twitter? Like we were thinking of something along the lines of quotes or like just
Hmm.
infographics you could post. So but I don't know, like I because I've been on Twitter since 2017, so like I kind of know the platform.
Hmm.
Trying I know it well. I'm not don't know it well, but I can tell what I would interact with and what I wouldn't. So I don't think like infographic would attract, compel me to go and listen to the podcast. So like, what do you suggest for Twitter content?
See, what normally I do on Insta is like, for example, my episode is of 20 minutes. So I'll just put a clip of that on Insta, Twitter, and Facebook. Okay, on
Okay.
all three platforms. And the major part of the episode, which is interesting, I put that. And then I will put down, if you want to watch the full episode, you can go to YouTube or on Spotify and different apps. I just give them a trailer. So this is what I am doing as
Yeah.
of now.
So what
Hmm.
we do is
Makes
when we
sense.
put the same clip thingy on Instagram, we call it a snippet, and
Hmm.
we're doing that. But how do you think does your snippet, like what kind of content do you look for exactly in your snippet? Because we dabble into funny content as well as something that's informative. So is there a particular kind of content that you look for, or is it just what you feel like?
No, it depends. It depends on my mood basically. So if the content is really deep, then I just put a part of that. If it is something
Hmm.
funny, I then just put the intro or something. If there is any joke in the episode or something like that. But I
Yeah,
don't put the whole episode. In fact, you cannot put
sounds,
on.
yeah,
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what some people even told us. Like, put the entire episode on Instagram. I listen to it if you put it on Instagram. Like, that's not the point of a podcast.
exactly.
These people,
Yeah.
so many people have told us this.
And especially in India, for people to understand what exactly is podcast and how to explain the type of genre, of what podcast
Hmm.
you're doing, it's very difficult. When
Yeah.
I started my
Yeah.
podcast channel, I was telling my friends, in fact, I was telling my wife as well that I'm planning to start a podcast channel, and she didn't know what is podcast. So, explaining someone at home and explaining someone
Hmm.
outside is different,
Yeah.
but it is very difficult to explain what is a podcast,
Yeah.
My
because
mom
But
calls
podcast.
it a
somehow
forecast.
mom
I'm,
calls it broadcast. So,
yeah.
but
Yeah.
somehow still podcasting is a good and it's a growing industry in India as well. Like India is one of the top 3 countries for growing a podcast. And
Hmm.
somehow still everybody I encounter does not know what it is.
Exactly.
Exactly. Yeah. That is, we have to change the mindset,
Yeah.
and
Even
that's our mission now.
newspapers are going on podcasts, which is
Yeah.
like crazy. Like you have
Exactly.
newspapers making content on podcasts. That's how essential it is right now. But people
Hmm.
still think it doesn't work and it's not going to work in India.
Exactly.
I believe in US there is a lot of scope if you are a podcaster.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I
Definitely
think
because they're
overall, yeah, go on.
definitely in the US because they're also much more aware about all the media handling platforms that they own. And they
Hmm.
are marketing
Exactly.
it great, like the hold that they have over the market itself, and their hold over the market plus their marketing skills. The total
Correct.
amalgamation just makes so much sense. Whereas even though India is supposed to be like a
Plus the
good,
internet accessibility. Yeah, this is what happens. We just speak over each other.
When
it's
you
fine.
said
That was the
internet, that time
perfect,
only it got stuck.
yeah. It was the perfect cue for your joke, Shivangi. Like, amazing.
I was wondering why isn't she reacting? I said this like a while ago. Why does she keep going on? But no, you just didn't hear it.
This happens so many times during recording because we're just cracking jokes in the middle and we're waiting for each other's reaction, but we don't get it because someone's internet has just stopped working and then they laugh 2 seconds later when you're talking about something else.
Hmm.
Is that just
Yeah,
us being Garib, or does that happen to you as
It
well? Because
happens with everyone. It happens with me also. I have There is an episode which I'm going to release after 2 weeks.
okay,
So it's about tarot card and everything in detail about tarot card. So I recorded the whole episode. Everything was done well, but there was internet connection from my guest side and her audio was not clear at all. So then again I had to message her, can we do it again? And then we had to say the same thing what we said in the first recording. So audio internet issue is always the problem. This is all the major
yeah.
problems which we face. Sometime even starting beginning, when I just started my podcast, I got 2 3 guests and it was a long session, you can say 1 2 hours, and we spoke, but I
I
forgot to hit the record button. That was the that was the main thing.
This has happened
That
with us
was.
as well, because there have been times when we start recording and either of us has
Hmm.
to hit record, and because we take like turns like recording the session or something like that, and we have said
Hmm.
so many funny things, we've said such great stuff, or we've had
Hmm.
funny incidents like somebody interrupting us or something, but it's not recorded, and then we're just sitting there laughing because it's not recorded.
Yeah, and then you cannot repeat that joke again. It
Exactly,
won't
it's
come
not
naturally
funny.
out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Now also before getting ready, I sat everything. I kept the mic. I put the headphones, everything, and the biggest thing, I forgot to wear my shirt. I was sleeping. I just got up. I sat. The camera is on, and I'm wondering something is missing. And then I said, "Oh shit, I had to wear this." So you tend to forget sometimes. Even mics, you need to check your mic, headphones,
Yeah.
recording button,
No, we don't
everything.
have all of that to check, thankfully.
It's just me asking Shivangi, should I wear my earphones today or not? Am I loud enough? It's just that.
I uh,
And Shivangi going off in the middle because somebody interrupted at home. That
I'm
usual for
so
us.
sorry. I'll have to come back in 1 minute. I'm so sorry.
Oh, Shivangi.
I'm the IT head in this house, so like
How's
I
this
just have to
podcast
go
as well?
at random.
I'm an old person when it comes to technology. There are
So
times
who's
when
doing
I'm
the
That's why I
editing?
do the editing.
yeah.
Okay, you're doing
Yeah,
the
I
So,
do
editing.
that.
but if it's video, then I
Yeah,
would do it because just I like video editing much more than audio.
yeah.
Listening to
It
ourselves so many
saves.
times is a pain for me.
Yeah, same here, same here.
Yeah,
In fact,
I hate our voices.
till I release my episode, I'm fed up of that
Yeah.
episode. Because I am listening it to every day. Cut, you have to cut, edit, paste something, this, that, and all. I'm just fed up, and especially
Yeah.
listening to my own voice. Oh God.
I swear
Exactly.
to God, I literally like just record Laveen's voice, saying something, and even though she might sound fine, I just find it weird, and I'll send it to her, and I'll be like, "Look how stupid you sound right now," and then we just laugh about it because it's not stupid, but I am done with listening to
Yeah.
her voice.
And there are
Like
times where
it's
Shivangi will send me to like proof check it, like proof check it. What is that even word? It's just something I just made up. So to check the audio or check the snippet, and even when I'm making the snippet, I'm making the artwork. It's just doing the same thing so many times because I'll get it done and then I'll get Shivangi to approve it, or she gets it done and then I have to approve it, and we're doing it 2-3 times, and it just annoys us to some point.
It's so
You guys don't
annoying.
stay nearby?
No,
Even if we did, we wouldn't go to each other's house
Yeah.
because COVID.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
COVID situations, yeah.
So this is how we
It's been
usually
so long, we
record.
forgot.
What's it
So you
like
all
to
don't meet
record
as well?
alone?
No, we don't meet. This is our only platform
Yeah.
to talk and just rant about
Was
things.
that my WhatsApp?
Sometimes our
Did I not mute it?
Sometimes our episodes go to like 3 hours because we have our episodes are just 15 minutes, but we talk for 3 hours because we haven't,
That's always
met
there,
each
yeah.
other.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's always there.
We go off
Even-
track so much. We're basically Mumbai Railways.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
nice.
Just
Y'all must
named
have.
it.
Oh.
Yeah.
So y'all had any other name, or it was just this privilege check?
So when we started talking, our the first ever idea was, you know what? It should be called Privilege Check. But we thought it was going to be like too sassy for people and it's not going to make sense. So we started thinking and brainstorming a little more, and we came up with something you should be mad about. And
Oh
we
my God.
almost finalized it. Until one night, Shivangi's like, you know what, we should go with Privilege Check. And I was like, Shivangi, that's the first thing I told you. And then we were like, oh yeah, but then we rejected it for so reasons. But then we just came up with
Even after deciding that, you remember we were rejecting it because username kaise banayenge Instagram
Yeah.
pe? Do you remember?
Yeah.
That is why our username is like that. We were like, let's
PHK.
think of some other name because the name's not working for the username.
Exactly.
But we ended up with Privilege Check, yeah.
It's a nice name.
Thank you.
Interesting. What are your experiences?
So when we're recording, we usually like plan out of what are the things that we want to talk about. And while recording, if there is something that we don't like, there and there itself, we're like, we're not going to put this. Sometimes at the end of recording itself, we
Yeah.
decide that what's going to go out as what kind of content as well. Will it work? Do we think it will work? We just try to take out all the parameters. We have like buyer persona kind of thingies. We have ideal people, and we'll ask each other. Okay, yeah, we have 10 minutes. We'll ask each other whether would that person like it, because we know who our target audience is. So we have an ideal person. We'll say that what would their reaction be to this, and that's how sort of how we decide whether things are going to work or not.
So when
Most
you're
of the time,
putting,
what we do is, what happens to us is like, even if we decide, this happens somehow, okay, this is destiny perhaps, but like I'll just say, whenever we decide for the topics, it somehow always happens that what we've decided already, somehow in class, our teachers talk about it. Like during the time we were talking about gender, people were talking about how, women are equally, using women have equal privileges when it comes to the gender. During freedom of speech, people were talking about how freedom of speech is actually not a right. It just so happens that whatever episode that we're planning to put out, and we haven't announced it anywhere. So it just happens that these people talk in class, and our classmates are our primary audience. That age group is our audience, and somehow they just talk about these topics, and we just cover it, and that's why
it's the classmates who talk, or it's the professors?
We have discussions in classes,
It's a discussion.
both of them talking about it, and us just listening, sneaking in some content. But it's really funny how we realize because Shivangi and I are the only, we are each other's friend in class. We don't have any more friends. We just us two. So there's no chance that either of us are going to like release some kind of sneaky thing of, oh, this is what we're going to do, and somehow it's still. But even though Shivangi thinks it's destiny, I genuinely think that it's because we are media students, and again, because of that, we are so around what's going on these days. So somehow that's unconsciously sneaked into that. Those topics are unconsciously sneaked into our class discussions as well as our podcast, because obviously if you're going to hear the same thing so many times because it's so relevant, it just sneaks into everywhere.
Correct.
And on this point, I'm going to ask you to rejoin the same link
Yeah,
because
I know. Same issue. Even I have the
yeah,
same issue. I have not upgraded to that. This is all Garib
Yeah,
yeah,
stuff
no,
we
no.
do.
Let all Garibs unite. Amazing.
Yeah. But we still have 7 minutes, right?
yeah, but like
Yeah,
I don't
I
want
think
it
we
to
can
be
end this at 1 minute.
okay.
We'll
I
end
just
it
didn't
like
want
when.
it to be cut in the middle of somebody saying something and just like Zoom's like, no, you can't do that.
This has
When
happened with me also. So in
yeah,
the beginning, Zoom, when you start with a new account, you don't have any limit. Okay,
yeah,
because
the
it's a
first
new
meeting.
account.
Yeah.
So I didn't know that I was talking, blah, 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 blah. And then suddenly it got disconnected. So I thought that my
Hmm.
guest got bored and he cut the call. And I messaged him, what happened? Then he told me, no, it got disconnected. Then I sent him the request. Then
Oh
I came to know,
wow.
it's 40 minutes limit.
Yes,
So
God.
if
Oh my God.
if Shivangi and I are the only ones recording, so Zoom does not have this limit for two
Ah,
people.
yeah. Two
So
people, yeah.
we kept thinking that Zoom just likes us.
Yeah, Zoom's a
Not,
privilege check listener.
and it's not
Zooms are one
putting the
listener.
limit for us, just for us. Until I started a meeting and I read through all of that, and I was like, no, Shivangi, it's just because we're two people. So they're like, they're too lonely,
Yeah.
let them talk as much as they want.
Gracious Zoom. Yeah.
So yes, we are back.
Yeah,
Yeah. Let's start
let's
again.
just dig into it right away. Yep. Let's
Yeah.
start by talking about what it's like to do a podcast alone for you because Shivangi and I have been doing this together. And that's how we have started as well, through each other, with each other. So, what's it like for you to do this alone?
Yeah.
For me, to tell you from start, first I wanted to start podcasting. You can say 2 years before, but then working and didn't get time. But lockdown, there are some positive things as well. So
Yeah.
Yeah.
it helped me. It gave me a lot of chance. A lot of free time, basically sitting at home. But to start alone as compared to you guys, it's difficult because I am the director, I am the producer, I am the actor, I am the voice artist, everything.
Yeah.
So the lights has to be according to me. The speaker has the mic has to be according to me. I have to sit and edit. I have to create the
Yeah.
artwork. I have to put it on Instagram, on social media. So basically, it's one man show. It's a pain, but what to do now? Garib log can't do anything.
Also the fact that like if one of what happens like in pairs, like
Yeah.
like pairs or like I don't know when you have two
Dual.
hosts or like multiple hosts, it's also a matter of if one feels down, if one doesn't, if one wants to give up on it, if it's not going well, so like the other person is obviously
Person is, yeah.
motivating them to continue on. So that's also
Hmm.
something that's you don't get when you're going solo
Yeah.
because it literally feels like you're against one person against the world. So like, how do you cope with that? Like, how do you deal with when you feel like okay, this is not worth it. Like, let's just give up. How do you get out of that since you're the only person heading the podcast?
So basically, before releasing each episode, I feel the same thing. But there are few of them who message me when I put my first episode, and they said that, "Arey, what is this? This is rubbish, nonsense." So
I thought we were
for
going to say
me
something
to
positive. I was happy.
how do I tell?
Same. But that's kind of like us as well. We just get
Yeah.
motivated by all of the negative
Yeah.
Yes, same. That is what I was trying to say. So people now, I have released now 20 episodes. So I message the same person and I keep messaging that
Yeah.
person. I'll not take the person's name, but if you're watching, you should know this, that every time I message that person and they'll say, oh, the 10th episode, oh, 15th, oh, 20. So that is keeping me motivated that I want to
same.
Yeah.
do it. And that is what gives me motivation.
Yeah.
Our
I think
motivation
the
is
same
just
for
the
us.
हाँ
Like
ठीक है अच्छा था from our fathers. We spoke over each
हाँ.
other
It's okay,
again.
but yeah, it's also it's also the fact that when remember like when people get jealous of us and they like
Yeah.
go like, oh, how did you do the podcast? When you're
Yeah.
clueless about how you start a podcast, so we are just driven by like feeling superior.
Same.
That's our motivation for
Correct.
people
Yeah.
who want to know how we're continuing.
Especially
Basically,
being
if
on
if
Spotify.
you know, if your friends
Yeah,
or anyone, they see you growing, you know, some of them, they might be getting jealous, you know. So that is what, uh, if you see someone growing and if you see someone doing well, then they'll start that negativity. So that is what I like to make that negative thought into positive, because there are a few friends, they messaged me and they said, okay, it's a okay podcast and blah blah blah, but what, each episode is catering one type of audience. Okay, like for example, now few of my episodes are related to ghost stories. Okay, so
yeah,
a few audience will watch that, the rest of them will not watch. So the rest of them will message, Arey, what is this? Only ghost stories, this, that, and all. So I told them, wait, it's not only ghost stories. There are different stories which I will be putting every episode. So
yeah,
the person who I keep happy for ghost stories, the other person is not happy, then I have to keep that person happy. So in that way, I'm trying my level best, and that is keeping
yeah.
me motivated as well. Try to keep everyone
Hmm.
happy. But remember one thing, you cannot keep everyone happy. Someone somewhere will talk bad about you. So it's okay.
Yeah, makes
Yeah,
sense.
definitely. Because there have been times where we've been told that, oh, whatever you're doing, I'm just not interested in it. So, and these are like people who have been close to us who just say that, no, I'm not interested. So I'm not even going to do it for you. But then they don't understand that we understand that our target is very
Hmm.
different. And yeah, demotivation. But even
Yeah,
though people
everything is,
assume,
yeah.
yeah, and even though people assume that Shivangi and I just motivate each other, we just sync our load lines and load times. Because every time I'll text Shivangi saying, you know what, I don't want to do this today, she's like, yeah, I don't either, but you know what, we have to do this.
Yeah, I'll
I
I'll give you a small
Hmm.
example. There's a friend of mine, and he's a very good friend. Again, I'll not take his name.
Lot of
And
not taking names
Professionalism,
of
yeah,
professionalism.
so when I upload my basically, I'm a podcaster on YouTube, so I have a video podcast, and then I convert that into audio as well. But my main is on YouTube. So a couple of times he told me that I'm doing a favor of not disliking your video. I want to abuse right now, but I am not. I will just say, Are
exactly.
who the to tell me that okay, if you don't want to watch the video, then it's okay. If you
Yeah,
want to like the video, it's okay. If you want to dislike the video, it's okay. I'm not forcing you. I'm not coming in
Yeah.
your house and I say, Dekh, mera podcast dekh, abhi dekh. I'm not telling you that. I'm just sharing it on WhatsApp. If you want, read my message. If you don't want, don't read my message. I am not forcing
yeah,
anyone. But that person, he got so aggressive. Why should I watch your episodes? Why should I share it? Why should I like it? अरे नहीं करने का है, मत कर जा.
I had kind of the same experience. Like my one of my closest friends told me this that like अच्छा है शिवांगी लेकिन मैं बस सुन रही हूँ because ये तेरा है and like I wouldn't listen to this otherwise because like I don't like the content you're doing. But that's not the point, right? If you're listening, if you're not digesting the content, then my work is it's just going to be
Point.
waste. Our point is not to get listeners. If it was to get listeners, then we would have quit long time ago. Our point is
Correct,
to
yeah.
send this message across, and that's what these sometimes people don't get. Like they don't understand that it's not just about getting listeners, getting clout. It's about sending a message out there.
Spreading the message. Yeah,
Exactly. And
that is
this
what.
also reminds us of how like even our friends would plug our podcast during class, like our classmates. If somebody would mention the word podcast, because we're mass media students and we talk about
Hmm.
marketing, and podcast is one of the greatest tools to market brands right
Hmm.
now. So we were talking about this,
Correct. Yeah.
and they would plug in our podcast, and our teachers have actually even heard our podcast and they've like very happy with they gave us very positive feedback. Obviously, except the don't giggle so much, Ravleen. Except that part, they gave us like a lot of positive feedback. So yeah,
And
I
the
Yeah,
mean,
it's
sound.
good, man.
it's also the fact that people who are above us, like a peer, she's not a peer, but she's like a higher authority, and she's
Hmm.
saying, and she works in the communications industry. She's a PR
Correct.
professional, and so she's saying that if we're good, so that's also something that motivates us. Like it's validation basically. So it's nice. We have a lot of negative comments, but we have a few good ones as well.
But you know what's happening? I started liking the negative comments, because that is
Hmm.
keeping me motivated more.
Um,
That I have to improve on this.
Yeah.
I have to improve my content, on my audio, on my video, basically everything. Because if you see my first episode, so I'll tell you how I started the podcast thing. So lockdown and Zoom call, and I called two of my friends, and randomly I told, let's talk about ghost stories, and then I hit the record button, and then it went for an hour, and that is how my first episode was formed. So it was a very raw episode, and then when people seen, they said, no, you have to keep your camera this way, you have to keep your lights this way, you have to use mic, you have to do this, you have to do that. So some way, I'm trying to take that negative comments as well and try
Hmm.
to work on it, and hopefully one day we shall reach somewhere where we have to.
Yeah.
You're talking about all of
Yeah.
this
Makes sense. I
genuinely.
think. Yeah. Go
Talking
on.
about all
Go
this
on.
just
Go on. Go on, please.
Go on.
I am. Yeah, so talking about all this really reminded me about our first 3 episodes and how everybody that we
Hmm.
spoke to would not tell us about our content, but they're all that we would hear
Hmm.
was तुम्हारा sound थोड़ा खराब है, maybe
You're
your
lagging
sound.
a lot, Ravleen. Is
Yeah,
is
but
she
it's
lagging
Yeah.
for you as well?
No,
Lagging.
it's fine.
You're lagging a lot.
your internet
Okay, it's
then.
I can
fine.
see her.
Go on. Okay.
Yeah, we blame each other for having
Yeah.
bad
Go ahead.
internet. It's like, yeah.
Yeah.
But anyway, I'm recording, so
Just
even
say
if
what
I
you were
lag
saying
for
again.
you, it doesn't matter. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So everyone would everyone would tell us how our sound was so bad, and they'd keep telling us that that's one thing, like the sound was discouraging them from listening to the podcast, which was the end, which didn't make sense. It really, because if we're talking about privileged people, and we've said this enough, but we will say it again, that if something as
Hmm.
minimal as a sound is going to discourage you from listening to the bigger idea, and it's going to it doesn't make sense, right?
Hmm.
Because we're not just talking
Correct. Yeah.
about something that we heard about, and we're giving you facts, we're doing the research for you, and it's
Hmm.
all our opinions are backed by something much bigger. It's not just us being angry now, even though we started with the
Correct. Yeah.
intentional of letting out our anger, but then it's grown into something that's more positive. That
You know what
hmm,
happens? What happens is,
Exactly.
when you share the podcast to your friends and family, they become Anu Malik from Indian Idol. They'll become like a judge. Now, ये ठीक नहीं है, वो ठीक नहीं है, वो ठीक करो. अरे, if you have the, whatever, I cannot say that.
the
But
capital.
if you have that thing B, then do it yourself and then talk. No, you don't have any knowledge about it. Okay, we as podcasters research a lot about everything in terms of the
Yeah,
topic, and it's so much of hard work is going into this. And then once you release the
Yeah.
episode, theek nahi tha, audio is not a problem, this issue and this and that and all.
yeah,
Arey, at least appreciate the hard work what we are doing. We are not asking you to give money or something. Just listen, give your feedback. That's it. But I think so. We have
Exactly.
a lot of things in common. I think so. All the podcasters might be
yeah.
facing the same issue.
Have you ever had people give you unsolicited advice about marketing? Because as mass media students, we have received that a lot, and from like science kids or something like that.
Yeah,
Them-
both of us have one science kid in our life who
Yeah.
told us how to market our podcast.
Exactly. It's
Hmm.
something we do. It's something we plan to do, and it's our career option. Like not exactly marketing, but it's
It's
something
something
we're learning
we've
every
learned.
day. It annoys
Hmm,
them
hmm,
so
Exactly.
much.
Yeah, it happens to me also. Initially, when I started, everyone was telling, put it here, put it there, put it there. Arey, ruk na bhai. I just started. Let me learn slowly, slowly. One of my friend is telling, you call all the actors, Akshay Kumar, Salman Khan, go to Hollywood and all. I said, my own friends, they don't message me to come on my podcast. What they will reply? Come on.
Exactly.
It takes
Oh,
time, man. Come on.
Yeah.
I have a
How can
story
you
with
just
this.
start with Akshay Kumar? Like, how do you start with Akshay Kumar?
I have a story
You're saying get
relating to
out
this.
big guests, then people will watch. Yeah, please.
Yeah, you're saying that your friends don't come. When we were sending WhatsApp messages to like people who we thought would like our podcast, one of our common,
Hmm.
I don't know if I should say this because if she hears this, she's going to know it's her. But I will say it anyway.
You should,
So,
yeah.
yeah, she thought
It's
that,
okay. We all make people mad all the time. Just say
yeah,
it.
nobody likes us anyway. So, yeah.
Yeah.
So she thought that we're asking her for a collaboration. We were just asking her to listen to the podcast and tell us what she thinks about it and talk to us about it. But in the sense to give
Okay.
us feedback. But she's like, and she texts me
Hmm.
back in this hyper excited way, saying that, oh my god, this makes me so happy. And it's just our first episode. She's like, this makes me so happy. Of course, I will collaborate with you. Tell me what is the topic, when, date, time. And I was like, I was out of words. I was like, what do I say? No, I don't
She's
want
not
to.
even an influencer or
Yeah,
anything. She's obviously not Akshay Kumar. So like there is no point having her over.
yeah,
Yeah. See, but what I feel is, see, if you get Akshay Kumar or if you get this chai wala from the road, at the end, if your content is good, what we
Yeah,
speak is good.
definitely.
If it is interesting, then people will listen and they'll watch. But it just
Exactly.
does not mean if you get Akshay Kumar, okay, I get Akshay Kumar on my podcast, and only he'll be sitting and he'll be just looking at me. I'll just ask him, what is your name? He'll say Akshay Kumar. That's it. What? Is this an interesting
yeah,
concept? No, you need to, figure out what works and what does not work. But as I said, people they become judge and then
yeah,
they keep saying, do this, do that.
Makes sense, yeah.
definitely.
The
Yeah.
content is I especially this is something I've noticed as well. The kind of content you get on podcasts, okay. Like I'm not saying this because I'm a host or something, but I genuinely think the kind of content you get across podcasts is unparalleled to what you get in video content. Like you
Correct, yeah.
cannot get this kind of interesting conversations about like there's so many podcasts about that talk about folk literature that people don't know about. There's so
Hmm.
much you can spread on a podcast, and I personally don't find all of that on YouTube. I
Yeah.
definitely think audio content is better. But like, what are your thoughts on this as well? Since you've
Yeah.
been in this industry for a while.
Before that,
y-
I would just like to plug,
Yeah.
I would
Yeah,
just like to add to this, saying that I think that you get better content as podcasts because people doing podcasts are more aware. Because if you know about, especially in
Hmm.
India, if you know about podcasts, means you know about something. Not every
Correct.
person knows about it. Not everybody on the road, not every person passing by would know about it. Whereas something like YouTube, something like video content, most people do know about it. So everybody is on it. Like if you go on TikTok, you're not going to find good content because everybody knows about it and everybody wants to be out there. Whereas podcasts,
Hmm.
I
exactly.
personally think that a lot of thought goes into what you're going to put out there. That's why the content is also
Yeah.
filtered.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Anyway, you were talking about
If you
what's
put Akshay
better.
And
Kumar, then that's Akshay Kumar is not quality content. I'm sorry, we can't move on from Akshay Kumar, but
Akshay Kumar, Modi, what is going on with us?
Modi, just leave him aside.
yeah.
We don't. We don't.
Yeah.
Even when you spoke about any chaiwala on the road, my first thought was Modi. I don't know which.
Yeah.
Even I
Any
didn't
chai
think of
wala,
that.
correct, yeah. Any chai wala, yeah.
Anyways, your thoughts on
Yeah,
the audio or
video
video
podcast.
content.
So basically, YouTube, if you see, like for me, for example, I'm a audience, okay, and I will just watch something, which is of 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 7 minutes, max to max 10 minutes on YouTube. But podcast is something where we can talk in depth about a topic, and there are some people who are interested in that. But the thing is, YouTube is just fast, 2 minute ka video, 1 minute ka video, 10 minute ka video, and then it's over. But this is why I like podcast. Even I, was planning to start something different on YouTube, not a podcast channel, but then I was interested in podcast, and that is why. But I am more of you can say an audio podcaster,
Yeah.
sorry, a video
Oh.
podcaster, because I just like that concept, because in US and all I follow a few guys, and in India also I follow 2-3 guys, and I'm just a fan of audio podcast, putting the tables, putting 2 mics, then putting the lights, keeping the camera on, then syncing that
Mm.
audio and video. It's a different ball game, but it's nice. But if you see my numbers, I have more numbers on Spotify and Google Podcast as compared to YouTube. Because YouTube, it is now my episodes of 20 to 30 minutes. So they cannot see that. Basically, podcast is, you
Yeah.
need to hear it. So YouTube, I just put it, but I get more listens on Spotify and especially on Google Podcast. So people,
Same as well.
yeah,
Even
yeah.
if yeah, continue.
So people like, when I'm driving, I listen to your podcast. So when someone is working out or something,
Yeah.
so that is the time people say, at least my friends say that is the time they consume my podcast, and that's the right way, basically.
Yeah. Definitely. We thought we would fight a lot. We would like disagree a lot while creating this podcast, but it didn't happen. So surprisingly.
So, like for example, when you're selecting a topic, is
Hmm.
it mutually that okay, let's select technology, or is it like you'll argue, okay, this no, we have to select this topic or
I
that topic?
suggest
Yeah.
something, she suggests something,
Yeah.
and then we explain it. So like how education was something surprisingly that I was against, because we were supposed to do education बहुत पहले. We were like planning to do it quite early. But then I was against it. I was like, there's not much to talk about it. The entire episode cannot be just you talking about how much you hate, the kind of things you heard when you were an SEC student. So I was like, that can't be the entire podcast, Lovely. That's too that's too singular. There's not much we're talking. But somehow she defended this topic, and she was like, we can add this, we can add that. And then I was like, okay, yeah, this can make up for a 15-minute episode. And the same happens for like if I suggest a topic and she doesn't like it, I have to defend it. So we have a very democratic way of working.
Yeah.
So yeah.
You guys are lucky, I cannot argue with anyone. I have to just look at myself in the mirror and I should say, ये topic चलेगा कि नहीं चलेगा? ये चलेगा कि नहीं चलेगा? It's just in my mind.
Yeah. No.
Yeah, that's something I'm lucky about.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's always good to have someone,
Yeah.
That's nice.
It is. Thing is that Shivangi and I are both very hyperactive N2 people. So we even this is something we share when it comes to even writing papers, because we have so many thoughts going on at the same time, and by the time we complete one thing in detail, we have just forgotten the other. So we are constantly writing and noting things down. And like for unscripted, especially like unscripted episodes are the worst for us, because we have so much to say, but we can't say it all. We're just, and it's for both of us. It applies to both of us. It's not like one person is super N2 and the other person is just like, oh no, you know what? We keep regulating each other. At least that's better. That, oh, you need to shut up now. You're
That's
talking
also
too much.
something, that's also a pro of doing a podcast with a
Together.
person. Yeah.
The best part is, if you listen and you try to understand each other's idea, then because sometimes I check with my wife as well, what should I do? Should I put this or should I not put it? And to tell you the fact, like some episodes I hate, like, I said, I'm just putting it this, I say I'm just
We
putting
hate gender. Like, same.
Oh, I wanted to know, what did you think
love
about
that episode?
What did you think about gender? because we got so many, we got a lot of comments for gender. We got a lot of feedback for our episode on
Positive
gender. So
feedback, by the way.
Hmm.
yeah, positive as well
Oh.
as negative, Shivangi, in fact, because a lot of people came around, a lot of men came around telling me that, you know what, you haven't included us. So what did you think about that?
Yeah, why you didn't include any male? Why? That's my first question. Why?
So we tried to, but the thing is that we're two girls, and we know an environment from our perspective. So get as much as our research revealed to us, we could do that. But after a
Hmm.
point, if it comes to small scale things like within the household, there are a
Hmm.
lot of things that we would be not aware about. So that's how the most of
Hmm.
the things that we missed were very small scale related to a house or the things that guys listen to because we haven't heard of it. I'm an
But
only child, so I've definitely not heard of it.
but don't you think, like, for example, if girls they agree on something, what you feel, the male, they also should agree or they can disagree? Because there are a lot of things, at least for
Yeah,
me, like if I agree on something, my wife will not agree on that, and vice versa.
Yeah.
So what you all feel?
I don't think this, according to me, this is not mostly a gender thing. I think it's just a person thing where I think,
Person's point of view, yeah.
yeah, because anybody or everybody could agree on something and could not agree on something. And
Hmm.
I think
yeah.
agree to disagree should be the banner for life, honestly.
I think it speaks for itself, the fact that we couldn't, talk about men because we can't empathize with it. So
Yeah.
like I think
Yeah.
because it's not something we've personally experienced, so we think that
Hmm.
we misusing the platform that we've been given to talk about things
Yeah,
we have no idea about. So like
exactly.
even
Hmm.
that speaks for itself that it's all a personal point of view. We don't
Yeah.
really
And
have
it
much to
also
say about.
and was
Yeah, go
also
on.
so much about if I don't expect, like, this was, I don't know if Shivangi agrees to this because her face drops every time I say this, but
What?
I keep saying this, that if I don't expect a man to come around and talk about my problems, then I
Hmm.
don't want to talk about their problems as well, because I feel like most men are privileged enough to have a platform to talk about their problems. And if they're not using it, it's not my fault. Whereas women I know genuinely didn't for years and now as well did not have the platform to talk about it. So when I'm standing up for
Hmm.
somebody, or I'm trying in my capacity to stand up for somebody, I would rather give the platform to somebody and talk for somebody who cannot talk for themselves.
Correct,
So
yeah.
yeah.
That makes more sense, yeah. I have sometime not plugged in my mic to the laptop
Yeah.
and I'm just talking. And
Yeah.
basically, I cannot hear my voice now.
Yeah.
Okay. The opposite person can. I just
Hmm.
assume that, they can. And at least for 10 minutes, it was on my laptop
Yeah.
microphone. It was not on this microphone. And even they didn't know, like, what is the sound quality and all. Yeah, this, that, and all. And then I came to know that my wire is only not plugged in. Sometimes the record button I don't hit. It's very very
That's
complicated,
what
but yeah.
happened for our first episode. Shivangi, we were basically deaf
Yeah.
because Shivangi was using a
Oh,
microphone.
wait, I'll
And
say this.
okay,
Okay, let me say this. This is my moment to shine. Okay,
Hmm.
so I have vertigo. Okay, like I can't use earphones because they're gonna cause imbalance in my like ear canal fluid. So I
Hmm.
can't use earphones, but
Hmm.
I have to record a podcast. And so this didn't strike, and we didn't realize that we weren't using Zoom at that time. We were using
Hmm.
Soundtrap, which is again this app by Spotify, and we would organize calls there. Now,
Hmm.
the soundtrack's quality, audio, like echo cancellation, is really bad. It's not like
Hmm.
Zoom. Zoom's great now, but so we had to wear mics there. And since I want to go, I can't wear mics. So my earphones aren't plugged into my ears. They're just plugged into my laptop, and I have to
Hmm.
put it. I'm like putting the mic near my mouth, and then Loveleen, like if I'm done with my part, we would first put a thumbs up, and then I would mute myself, then Loveleen would unmute herself, and then she would start talking about her part. And this worked when our cameras, would our internet could actually to, actually be able to load the camera. When that didn't work, we went to putting like random alphabets in the chat box. So like if I'm done with my part, blah blah blah, ki I'm Shivangi and blah blah blah, I just put Q and Laveen will go, and then she'll just put K and then I have to go. So that's how we started. But then we found Zoom, and Zoom has kind of better quality. So
Yeah.
I'm going to say, I told you, I kept telling her that, you know what, we should just record on Zoom. But no, somebody was like, no, Soundtrap's going to be better. And we tried one episode with Soundtrap and it was bad. I think that brings us to the end of our episode. It was really great talking to you. What do you think was something that you would take back from this episode? Is there something that you learned, or because we know we learned quite a lot from you? What do you think? What do you have to say? Any ending thoughts, opinions?
What I can say is that, the problems what I had in terms of podcasting, I thought I had the problems. But after talking to you guys, it felt that, I'm talking to myself, because the problems, the incidents and everything related to podcast was the same, and we share the same feeling. And yeah, hats off to you guys, and hope we do another episode soon.
Yeah, soon. Hopefully soon. Because
that would be great.
And I don't.
Before, the last thing I would like to say is that just continue doing whatever you guys are doing. Continue the hard work. One day, by God's grace, everything will be fine, and we all will be recognized as a podcaster of India.
Thank you so much. Best. I think that's
I'm just sounding like my father. I don't know. Like I'm some older 60, 70 years old podcaster and I'm giving you advice. Anyways, just carry on, enjoy. Just enjoy the process. That's all I can say. Yeah. Enjoy the process. You learn a lot.
Yeah, we hope to learn a lot, because I think we have mentioned, I don't know if we've mentioned this earlier, whether it was just me talking to Shivangi or we've actually said it to our listeners, because we say a lot of things. So with Privilege Check, it's not just us telling people that, you know what, you're bad, you're not going to understand things. It's us trying to make sense of situations, and it's us also trying to learn from situations. So like, again, coming back to the gender example, where we came to know that there was so much out there on a different scale that we didn't know about. So it's not a one-way conversation for us, at least for Privilege Check. It's not a one-way conversation. We're trying to connect to more people to also educate them while getting educated ourselves. Shivangi has dropped out of the meeting.
And your co-host has left the show. It's okay, you can carry on. The right time you got disconnected when she was saying something important.
Yeah, okay. I had to change my network. Yeah. Come on.
Great. Anything. I guess that was it that I had to say. I'd just say that was a good note to end our episode on. Getting yarn.
I also learned. I think this session with you really helped me to reinforce the trust that I have for the podcast, because I really like the fact that every person out there is also motivated by negative comments. So that was a very inhuman way of motivating yourself, but I like that it's something that we have in common. So it was very nice to be reassured that our content is good and our sound is decent. So I really appreciated this session a lot. Thank you so much.
And as much as we intend to connect with more podcast creators out there and give our listeners a new perspective, a different perspective rather, to what we're saying, and have live sessions, it was genuinely great to start with you. This was a great session for me, at least.
With a man, first of all, because we've got a lot of...
It's okay.
Anyway, I think, Shivangi, you should just go on to... Yeah, please.
Done?
Thank you for listening to Privilege Check podcast. If you like this episode, then please leave a review on Apple Podcasts or by personally messaging us on Instagram.
Don't forget to follow us there. That's at Privilege Check. That's PRIVILEGECHK. Here's to an enlightened life. I'm going to stop.
And please follow me as well.
Something to say.
Yeah,
How
please,
could we forget that? Please,
please, yeah,
please go on and give your details, your
please follow me
Instagram
as
handle.
well on YouTube. The channel name is Something You Wanna Know with Desmond Fernandez. You can subscribe to my channel and message me on Insta as well.